we stumble, eyes fixated on the screens, patterns in the noise, whisper of forgotten dreams.
We gather in the shadows, where the voices twist and spin, drawing lines in fractured light.
Let the games begin.
Politicians paint their pictures, but the frames are faded gray. Promises like echoes fading softly,
drifting away. Oh, can't you feel the weight, the burden of blind trust? Each word becomes a facade, each claim turns to rust. See the patterns rising, can't you see the truth inside? Wrap yourself in clarity, in the chaos we abide. The liberal agenda pushes, but the goals become unclear. This has to stop, the damage done. It's our collective fear.
Every headline feeds the cycle, spinning tales designed to sway. Pareidolia in politics, patterns lead us astray. Fractured visions of a future built on half-lit dreams, while the tides of disillusion wash away at the seams.
Oh, we must break the silence, find our voice amidst the noise. The narratives constructed, just distractions for our poise. See the patterns rising, can't you see the truth inside? Wrap yourself in clarity, in the chaos we abide. The liberal agenda pushes, but the goals become unclear. This has to stop, the damage done. It's our collective fear. A fading echo whispers, can we shift the tide? Find a way to unify, let the truth collide.
Visualize the world anew, break the mold and reform. Challenge every narrative,
let our voices swarm.
Patterns in our societies have blinded us somehow. Each moment we ignore it, let the truth unveil now. Politicians speak in riddles, but we can see the line. Tangled webs of agendas are erasing the design.
Oh, we must find our vision, let clarity ring bright. Peel back the layers of doubt, step into the light. Stop, see the patterns rising, can't you see the truth inside? Wrap yourself in clarity, in the chaos we abide. The liberal agenda pushes, but the goals become unclear. This has to stop, the damage done. It's our collective fear. In noise, we'll find our truth. Patterns we will map. Shatter all illusion. Fill the world with hope's lap. This movement calls for change. It's time to take a stand. Together as one voice, united we command.